Hey, what's up everybody? How are you doing? This is Bayo with FitBiz Techie Marketing Agency. Today, I just wanted to share my experience working with Allie Bloyd on her local marketing mastery program. So essentially, where I was at before kind of consulting with Allie was that I was in a situation where I was getting ready to lose my job and I was working with a handful of clients. So I needed to kind of work with her on how it's possible for me to kind of take this part-time income marketing that I'm doing and make it my full-time level income. Now, what's unique about my situation is I actually didn't join this program in order to grow my clientele. I knew that I could get more clients. What I especially joined this program for was I needed a confidence boost on my skills. I think I was starting to lose confidence in my marketing ability, and I needed to come to this program for someone to teach me how to deliver great, exceptional results for my clients. And a lot of this has affected me. So like the clients that I was working with, I was not charging a lot of money because I wasn't confident in myself, in my ability to deliver amazing results for them. But I also felt stuck because I wasn't confident in bringing in more people because I felt like I didn't have the right systems, tools, processes, or the confidence to work with this many people in my agency. So essentially that's what I came into work with Allie Bloyd, and after having a strategy meeting with her, she gave me a lot of confidence, a lot of encouragement, and after working through her program, I am happy to say that I now work full-time in my marketing agency. I am now delivering consistently amazing results for my clients, and I've went from a handful of clients, 3, to working with 10 clients and completely replaced my job income and now do marketing full-time. So this for me has been life-changing because this last year, it was my family, we moved to a new city. We bought a new car. My wife was expecting a baby. So I was literally 2 to 3 months plan into continuous study and grinding and figuring out how can I make this happen. And I'm just so happy that I was able to make it happen. And it was just such a big relief. So again, thank you so much, Allie Bloyd, for putting this program together. Other things that I've tried, I've tried YouTube, articles, buying courses, workshops here and there, but I think a lot of them really focused heavily on either just individual strategies or basic level of marketing, or heavily on more client acquisition. But for me, I had a unique need coming into this program. I just wanted to learn how can I get great results for my clients? Because I knew if I can do that, I knew that I can get as much clients as I want. So that is kind of my experience working with Allie. Thank you so much for putting this program together. It has been life-changing. I have a lot of confidence now. I feel like I can scale up better now. And I am charging 3 times the amount that I was charging before I joined Allie's program, which has been amazing. And I feel now that I am worth it because of the results that I'm able to deliver for the clients. It's not only life-changing for me, it's also life-changing for all the people that I'm able to help turn their business around, provide for their family. The impact is just so much deeper than even me. So again, thank you so much. If you guys are on the fence or thinking about joining this program, just definitely do it. The community is great. And another cool feature that I love about this program is that you have the ability to jump on calls to ask questions. Like for example, if something is not working well in whatever marketing strategy I have, you now have a community of people where you can bounce ideas off, where they can kind of help you troubleshoot. You're just not by yourself on your computer trying to figure it out on your own. So yeah, if you're definitely on the fence, I highly recommend whether you're a local business and you want to get a competitive advantage locally, or you're a beginner agency or an agency that just wants to learn how to deliver better results for your clients, get high quality leads, I highly, highly, highly recommend the local marketing mastery program. Thank you so much and have a lovely day. Peace.